Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. Today is keeping up with the financial mistakes is another episode of that. A couple of days ago, I was driving in my Skyline, and every time I hit a bump, I hear just a weird thumping noise. And for the life of me, I couldn't figure it out where that's coming from because it's definitely not from my suspension. And I thought, okay, there's something in the truck. So I emptied up my truck. I got it out the whole thing, and then I went for a drive again. And I heard it again. Couldn't figure it out. Finally, one day when I hit the bump, I was just looking at the back. I noticed the windshield moved a little and I saw the light. Great! It's exactly what I don't want to see right now. So what happened was, I got the rear windshield reinstalled and we used a universal sealer and blah 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 blah. The way you install the windshield is you put a layer of primer, you put a layer of urethane glue, and then you put another kind of primer, and then you put the glass in. The first primer you put, it sticks to the paint. My problem, what happened was, it stuck to the paint, but because of the paint had a high-gloss paint, it didn't have a proper biting force, so it peeled off from the paint. And that created the whole shenanigan. It wasn't the whole rear windshield was coming on, it was just a corner of that. And I was just not comfortable driving like that because, I don't know, it may fly out, I may hit a bump which may create a big enough jerk that will crack the rear windshield, which is very expensive in this country. So I called the guy at Richard's Auto Glass who helped me install the rear windshield in the first place. And he's going to do that job all over again because, he's a nice guy. He stands behind his product and his workmanship, even though technically it's not his fault. Anyway, we can also use this video on how to install an aftermarket molding for an R32 Skyline because the Nissan molding from R32 Skyline was close to $600 Canadian. Now, lucky for us, I never installed the heating element over there, and the rear windshield wiper. If those three units were installed, then I had to take all of the interior out to take the glass off. Luckily, I didn't do it, and I'm still not gonna do it. God forbid, if we have to do this shenanigan again, we can do it in a different way. So the rear window started doing this. The reason being, Richard put urethane under the glass, and the urethane sticks to the paint of the body, and the paint sticks to the body. For some weird reason, the paint peeled, and that made the glass come loose, regardless of the molding it had. And one of the things we're going to show in this video is you don't have to use the $600 Nissan molding. You can use a universal molding and install the glass, and it will be a lot cheaper that way. It's not necessarily, it's just, I don't like that shit. Look at that.
I think you have to go back to the body shop, I'll tell you. So it's gonna rust. You're gonna do it again. I can't put his glass in. I see, I even primed it too. The whole thing is all primed and everything here. Yeah, no, you take it back. I can't put his glass in.
Let me finish this season, I'll go back. I'm sorry. Let me finish this season.
So you still gonna put his glass in?
Yeah, let me just finish this season.
Alright. So keep that if it's with the Richard.
$20 or $150?
That doesn't make a difference.
Oh, it does?
No.
Yeah, big difference. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah? Or a smoother one?
Yeah, so...
I normally use a scratch pad.
Yeah, we can use this. Because technically 150 will make better biting surface.
Oh, it's thicker than this. Yeah. Okay, normally when I use a scratch pad.
Ah.
Yeah. You can try on this one and see. Yeah. What am I going to prime it again? Yeah.
Scratch pad is close to this.
Yeah. All you just enough for it to grab. That's what I need. That's why I use a scratch pad.
150. 80 grit does the best.
Oh yeah.
But 80 grit is on this kind of surface too hard.
Yeah.
150 is.
So you don't want to go right down to the paint.
No. You just want to create deep marks.
Right. Create the grab. Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
And I went to a school for this.
Oh yeah.
I have a little bit of like a body primer. You think if I put a little...
How long does it take to dry? My primer dries within 2 minutes.
Your primer is fine.
Yeah.
As long as it
block it from
Humidity?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
That's all matters.
Yeah, yeah.
That will stop the rust.
It'll slow the rust, but the rust will come back.
Hey, I know a little bit of what I'm doing, right? Just a little bit.
That is great. I can feel the difference right now. Yeah. All right. So.
And while you're here, I'm going to show you another car.
Yeah.
You're going to love it. You're going to love that car.
Oh yeah.
You remember a Toyota MR2?
I don't know.
Oh, you'll love it.
MR2. That's a small one.
Yeah, the little Toyota sports car with the engine in the back.
Yeah.
That one. I need a windshield.
Oh, I guess you have that stock.
I'm not in a rush. Even if it takes you 6 months to get it, just buy it. Buy it and call me.
Yeah.
So that car, I was supposed to restore it this year. Then I bought this. And Richard, he was bored during quarantine. He's like, let's paint this. I'm like, all right, let's paint this.
Yeah. Oh god.
So this primer is mostly for promoting an adhesion surface for the urethane.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just like when you paint the car, you have to prime it. Same as doing a windshield or any glass. So as soon as you told me the glass was moving, I know exactly what the problem was.
While we were waiting for the primer to dry, I asked Richard about the MR2 windshield. And he has this really nice nifty book with everything in it. Like the Toyota, the first gen Hilux extra pack. Never heard that. This car, Paseo. You know this car, the Corolla All-Track? Expensive.
Yeah.
Close to 30 grand. If you find it in good shape, that's what they go for. All the Celica boys, that's where your
FW 660 or 661?
access. Pause the video
660.
and watch for these numbers. These are the numbers for your windshield.
MR2.
Frontier, maximum.
Oh yeah?
America, Pathfinder. There is no 300 FedEx. Holy. Oh, there is. Okay, watch out. It's 300 ZX 2-door and 2-door coupe. It's supposed to be the same glass, and it is the same glass. If you see the numbers, are the same. 40, 240. Nobody cares about 200. That's 240. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Yeah, I have two of them.
Oh yeah? Glass cleaner, so.
Oh, it's just a glass cleaner. This is the one that stinks bad. That's a Seiko primer too?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it stinks.
See?
I just got a whiff. You'll knock somebody out.
Those are worse than the black one.
So what, this strip, is there a model number for it? Or?
No, not really. I gotta check my my book and see.
It does go on the glass very nice and everything. Like, I went to a couple of, parking lot shows, and if I didn't tell people this is not factory, nobody realized. Did these ever fail on you?
These?
That's your lifeline.
Yep. And I always check it before you. Yeah. You do the top first. The motor sits on top of the body.
I don't like these plastic screws.
No?
ET107B, and that's the profile for this universal molding.
So it comes in a roll?
Yeah.
So that's how it is.
How much would that, like a roll would go for?
I have to double check again and see.
Okay. So hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. If this is your first time with my channel, I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I have an R32 Skyline, couple of 300 ZX twin turbo, you guys will see I bought another 2 more cars, which I shouldn't have, but I bought it. I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I got an MR2 down where I'm standing on top of it. And if you are under 21 years old, stop, watch a cat video, talk to a girl, do something. Don't be an enthusiast. Cost money.